little monk. Alrighty, we're now going to Ajijic. What's it called, babe? Ajijic. It's kind of near where we got married last year. It's crazy because I match like the color of this house right now, kind of. She's just doing the 80 locks that you have to do. There's also this gate that we have to lock. There's like chickens crossing roads, dogs on roofs. It's pretty crazy. Love it in Mexico. It's like such a different world here. Look, there's a guy carrying something on a motorcycle. So we're off to see the Grays, and that should be fun for a barbecue today. We're going to her mom's house right now, which is right around the corner from, this is her aunt's place we're staying. Hi there, buddy. Got a little bone? It's a beautiful day in Mexico. I'm wearing a sweater right now because it's like colder than usual, but it is late December, so like in wintertime it's not cold here. It's just not like hot. But where we're going is like there's a lot of wind, and so it's gonna be a little chilly. Just had some nice breakfast, the coffee. Off we go. In between Ajijic and Jocotepec. We're kind of waiting to find out where to go. Almost there. Look at what it is. It's the big guy himself in Mexico. Hi. So we're here in Ajijic. It's so nice here. Look at this. Wow.
Your picture is still on my wall. On my wall. The color.
Wow, it's so nice here. I love you so much, my little monk. She's got a little bit of a cold, right? We got married like right over there. Paul's dad got married on this lake as well, just over here.
I wish I could be as happy as you. I wish I could have as much fun as you do. I wish I could be your friend, but I'm afraid. I wish I had my own way, but I really do. But I wish I'd have my way with you.